Well viewers, in this video we shall learn how to highlight the names or the data which is there in a column based upon the average of the scores that has been obtained by these names. Okay, so let us begin. So for that I have opened an Excel sheet wherein I have typed 5 names and the scores of these names. Okay, so what is that we have to do is first we have to select the column which I need to highlight based upon some criteria. So I will select this column and I will go to conditional formatting. So I can, in the earlier video I have shown you how to make use of the more rules in highlight cells. The same thing can be used in the new rule also. Okay, so for when I press that in new rule, we will get this menu wherein we can go. We have to select this. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Okay, so this I have to select, and after that we will have a box here. So there we have to type the formula. So is equal to. So we have to type the cell address where the scores of these names are present. Okay, so K7 is the cell address of the first name. Okay, say K7. So what is that I want it to display? So if K7 is greater than the average of what? Average of these scores. So I want the computer to find the average and to display the names which are more than the average. Okay, so I will close the bracket and then I will go for formatting the cell which is more than the average. Okay, so I will make use of this blue color to fill the cell, and I want this font color to be filled to be typed in bold to be displayed in bold italics, and then I will make, as I have selected the dark blue color, I will make use of this light blue color. Okay, so I will see, we can see the preview here itself. Okay, see what you can see these are the 3 names which is more than the average. Okay, so these names got highlighted. So this is how we can highlight the names or any content that is present in the one column based upon the scores that are present in the another column. Thank you for watching this video.